Oh God, I'm rich. I'm rich, bitch. What's up, Pack? Riding with my brother and Nemo Soros. I just met him today over at Timmy's doing some work on the bike. Chill. Ah, you fucking son of bounce house. I want to fucking do a stunt in that bounce house. Alright, hands up. Who's had sex in a bounce house? Because that sounds fucking amazing. You can like run and jump off the wall and just like fly at each other. Oh man. Life goals. Bounce house sex. I will rent a bounce house just to have sex in it. Is that morally wrong because kids use it? I'll spray it out with the hose, okay? Now it's fine again. It has potential to be quite dangerous though, actually. Because like you're not gonna not use the full potential of a bounce house. Right? You're not just gonna like lay there and do it. You're gonna like fucking jump and shit, right? He got it! He fucking got it! Doing a little shopping? Ew! Ew, their pants! Woo! Ah. Oh, Nemo's going to hit the button. Did you hear that guy honk at you?
What?
Did you hear that guy honk at you?
Yeah.
He's like... Hit up Nemo, Nemosaurus, new vlogger. Make sure to slip that shout out in there. Found something. Oh God, I'm rich. I'm rich, bitch. Woo! Let me just secure this. Okay, I'm ready. Check out the hot air balloons though. Pretty awesome. No, no. Never been up in one of those things? Is it scary as shit or is it fucking like awesome? Pretty cool. Balloon ride? Bucket list. Cool. Check out this view real quick though. Right there is the Lake Pleasant Dam. Ah! There's a little valley right there. But right there's the dam for the whole lake.
But I'm a vampire, smile, you'll meet a sticky end. And here I'm trying not to bite your neck, but it's beautiful, and I'm gonna get so drunk on you and kill your friends. And you'll need me, and we can be obsessed, and I can touch your hair and taste your skin. The ghosts won't matter.